The 2026 Maryland housing market will go through a transition with predictions that homes will sell for more money next year, and the number of homes selling will be about 10% higher than this year. It's Friday, December 12th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your resource for all things real estate in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Right now, Howard, Charles, Queen Anne's, Cecil, Wicomico, and Worcester County buyer activity are all moderate, not high, but enough activity to have showings that lead to offers and contracts. Baltimore, Dorchester, Harford, Garrett, and Anne Arundel counties are all steady, while Allegheny, Calvert, Caroline, Talbot, Montgomery, Prince George's, St. Mary's, and Carroll counties are all slow. And Kent, Somerset, and Baltimore City have the least buyer activity of all areas, reflected by fewer contracts. The number of new inventory dropped this report to 1,482 units at $399,900 median list price. There are 733 properties coming soon at a median $449,900, which reflects less potential properties. New contracts fell again this week to 1,190 at a median list price of $400,000, and days before contract rose to 35 days. 1,087 units sold in 23 days at 98.4% list to sold ratio and at a $430,000 median sold price. Rental properties rose slightly this report to 4,093 units at $2,500 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, December 12th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay warm. I'll see you next week. Take care.